Hello, Little Hawks. Mr. Bacon here. Coming to you with a message because I need your help. We have a problem here at City High School. I am a big believer in being in class on time. Being on time is a habit for success. The world waits for no one, Little Hawks, and if you're late, that's a losing behavior. Being on time is critical. I want all Little Hawks on time to all classes, and I need help. So, what I'm asking you to do is reflect on what you're learning about Chinese principles. I feel whenever I need help, it's always good to reflect on knowledge of Chinese principles. So, knowing what you know about legalism, Confucianism, and Taoism, I would like your advice on the best way that we can approach this problem of tardies here at City High School. After all, we are the school that leads. Now, I'm not sure how to say that in Chinese, but I'm sure it sounds great. Thank you for your help, and I'm looking forward to the results of your work.
In this Chinese courtroom, history is being made, but not without controversy. 77-year-old Chu Fudi is suing her daughter and son-in-law, who she says don't visit her enough. And the judge agrees. Under a contentious new law, he ordered the pair to drop in on Chu at least once every 2 months, and on holidays. We believe that over time they will realize relations between a mother and her children need family love, says the judge. The ruling is the first under a law that compels children to spend time with their elderly parents. Critics have called the measure government overreach and potentially counterproductive. If you settle this dispute through a lawsuit, the effect may be the exact opposite of the intention, says this lawyer. The relationship between the parents and their children may get even worse. Chinese society traditionally places great importance on filial piety. But 3 decades of dramatic social change and urban migration have left many elderly alone or in care homes.
Fa Mulan.
Present.
Speaking without permission.
Oops.
Who spit in her bean curd?
Not more. It will be more finer quality, very fine. Four times, approximately 4 times thinner than this will be. That's it. Very fine.